Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you guys another recipe that I'm doing. Actually, it's not the recipe, it's me decorating cupcakes. Both of these recipes I will have in the description box below. These are not my recipes, I found them on Pinterest. Now I'm ready to do Pokemon cupcakes. I'm actually making them into like Pokeballs. I am Pokemon balls. So Ryder is my nephew and he just turned 8. His birthday party is today in a couple hours. So he really it's tonight. So we wanted to do cupcakes for him and he requested Pokemon cupcakes. So that's what I'm gonna make and I'm really excited. The things that I need for this recipe are cupcakes, frosting, red sprinkles, like granulated sprinkles, nothing too coarse, and then M&Ms or candy or something, but something that's white. I've even seen people like take the those like candy eyeballs and then like put the pupil part of it like down, so because the back part is just white. So anything that's edible that's white. I'm using these white M&Ms. And what else? So there's this frosting, and then I'm going to turn a little bit of this frosting into black frosting for the line in the middle of the Pokeball, and then we're going to call it a day. So I have a couple that I'm going to trial, like test trial, because I don't know exactly what I'm doing yet. So I'm going to try on a couple of spare ones, not this one. This one's a good one. I'm just going to practice on a couple of these, and then I'm going to get going. So I'm going to zoom you guys in close. I'm going to fast motion it, and I'm just going to bust out all of these cupcakes, and then we'll take them to Ryder's birthday party and he's going to be so excited. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so now I just stuck some black frosting. I dyed some of the frosting black. I am just using a Ziploc baggie because I didn't want to waste an entire piping bag on this. So I just used a baggie, I stuck this on the end, and now I'm going to pipe a line in the middle and a circle, and then we're going to stick the candy right on top to finish off the Pokeball. So here we go. I did have to switch to the piping bag after all. The Ziploc baggie, like holes poke out of it, like creates holes, and like the frosting started oozing out of the Ziploc baggie. So don't use the Ziploc baggie, use the piping bag. Okay, so I literally just finished and my battery literally just died on my camera. So I am going to finish the video like this, except I'm gonna take you with me probably to Writer's Party, maybe take some pictures or some videos of them. But I wanted to show you the final outcome. So here it is. So that's it. It was really fun and it actually wasn't that time consuming. So that's awesome. Now we're gonna go to the party and I hope that Ryder likes them. I think he will. Let's go.
Hey girls, do you like your cupcakes? Yeah. Are they so yummy?